Hi friends, this is Praveen. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will explain about Adani Group stocks and whether they are overvalued or undervalued, and is it good time to invest or not, and what is the new business Adani is entering into. If you are new to this channel and if you like the content, support us by clicking on subscribe button. As we seen, markets are recovered from more than expected range from 7,500 levels to 16,000 levels, which is almost 100% growth in last 1 year. But Adani Group stocks are surprising the whole markets. Every stock of Adani Group has witnessed an 100 to 300% growth in last 6 months. And the founder of Adani Group is Gautam Adani, and he is the second richest man in the Asia and 30th in the world as per Forbes. Surprisingly, he is a college dropout. And the group includes the listed companies like Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Adani Power, Adani Transmission, Adani Green Energy, and Adani Gas. Over 3 decades, the group has emerged as a global player with business operations spread across the key sectors like energy, resources, logistics, and agro, among the others. Let us talk more about these individual stocks. First is Adani Enterprises. The stock surges from 450 to 1600 in 6 months of span, which results in 250% return to the investors. Adani Enterprises is an incubator focusing on establishing new businesses in infrastructure and energy sector. As you see in the screen, the business of Adani Enterprises includes mining services, integrated resource management, edible oil and foods, agro, solar manufacturing, defense and aerospace, road, metro and rail, and also airports. Coming to the fundamentals and valuation, stock is trading at a PE multiples of 163 and 10 times of its book value with a low dividend payout ratio. We advise to be careful before investing the stock. The next stock is Adani Ports. The stock surges from 450 to 900 in a 6 months of span, which results in 100% return to the investors. Adani Ports is the largest commercial ports operator in India, accounting for nearly one-fourth of the cargo movement in the country. The port facilities are equipped with the largest cargo handling infrastructure, which is not only best in class but also capable of handling the largest vessel calling at Indian shores. Coming to the valuation, the stock is trading at a PE multiples of 35 and 6 times of its book value, which is with a low dividend payout ratio. Even though valuations are a bit high, but considering the uniqueness of business, we advise to buy on each and every dip. And next is Adani Power. Adani Power, the stock surges from 50 rupees to 150 in a 6 months of span, which results into 200% return to the investors. Adani Power is the largest private thermal power producer in India. The company has a power generation capacity of 12,450 metric tons, 12,450 megawatts, comprising thermal power plant in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Rajasthan, and Chhattisgarh, and also 40 megawatts solar power project in Gujarat. Coming to the valuation, stock is trading at PE multiples of 45 and 5 times of its book value. We advise to be careful before investing in this stock. And next is Adani Transmission. Stock surges from 500 rupees to 1600 rupees in a 6 months of span, which results in 300% return to the investors. In 2018, Adani Transmission Limited enters into distribution space with the acquisition of Reliance Infrastructure Power Generation, Transmission and Distribution business in Mumbai. Today, Adani Electricity Mumbai Limited caters to electricity needs of over 3 million customers in Mumbai suburbs. Coming to the valuation, stock is trading at PE multiples of 144 and 20 times its book value. And though company is reporting repeated profits, it is not paying out dividend. We advise to be careful before investing in the stock. And the next is Adani Green Energy. My God, the stock surges from 1000 rupees to 1200 in 6 months of span, which results in 20% return to investors, but it shoot up around 250% in an year. Adani Green Energy is one of the largest renewable company in India with a current project portfolio of 5290 metric watts. And the company develops, builds, owns, operates and maintains utility scale grid connected solar and wind farm projects. The electricity generated is supplied to central and state government entities and government backed corporation. Coming to the valuation, my God, the stock is trading at PE multiples of 900 and 90 times of its book value. We advise to avoid investing in these stocks because the valuation seems so high compared to all the stocks in Adani groups. And next is Adani Gas. The stock surges from 350 rupees to 1700 in a span of 6 months, which resulted into 350% return to the investors. Adani Gas is developing city gas distribution network to supply the piped natural gas, what we call as PNG, to the industries, commercial and domestic and compressed natural gas, what we call as CNG, to the transport sector. Coming to the valuation, my god, the stock is trading at PE multiples of 370 and 90 times of its book value. We advise to be careful before investing these stocks. And after tasting the success in airport and ports businesses, Gautam Adani is all set to enter into cement industry. The Adani Enterprises, his flagship company, informed stock exchange on Saturday that it has incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary in the name of Adani Cements. As you see in the screen, the announcement came into stock exchange in 12th June 2021 that Adani Enterprises has an incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary called as Adani Cements on 11th June 2021. So the new business of Adani Enterprises or the Adani Group is Adani Cements. It manufactures all types of cements and it is yet to commence its business operations. Hope you got an overview on Adani Groups and its new businesses. Keep supporting us and please stay safe. Thanks for watching.